So step 2 is even simpler. All you're going to do is you're going to place an eye level line. And then you're going to locate the VP, which is vanishing point, okay? Remember this, your vanishing point will always be directly in front of you. So these notes will be helpful for you to, remember anytime you're going to try to draw an interior space. Okay, so eye level line. Imagine all this is an invisible plane that's extending out of your sight line, okay? So, if this is our hallway, really loose here, if I'm standing in the hallway, my eye level line might be about here. I'm about 5'9". If I'm sitting in the hallway, my eye level line will be down here. If I'm on a ladder, it might be up here. So your eye level line is always in relationship to you. Right now, as I'm standing here in the classroom, my eye level line is just slightly above you because I'm standing and you're sitting. Are you with me? Okay, so if we establish most of you be sitting, I'm just going to put a line here very lightly, and I'm going to have you do the same with me. We're just going to put this line in just as a reminder. We're going to do it kind of dashed and kind of lightly because we'll probably be erasing it later. Since you're sitting, go ahead and put that line in low. And then we're going to place our vanishing point. This is where it gets really cool. Okay, I said the vanishing point is directly in front of you. So if I'm standing in the middle of the hallway, where would my vanishing point be? Not a trick question. The middle of the hallway. Not a trick question. If I'm on the left-hand side, in this little scenario, sitting down, where would my vanishing point be? I'm on the left-hand side? The left side. If I'm here, you got to look at yourself in relationship to that wall. Brooke might be like, I'm going to sit right on top of that wall. So she's right there. Jade might be like, I'm going to sit next to Brooke. I'm over here. So you got to look and see where you are on that wall. If you're on the right, your vanishing point should go directly in front of you on the right, on that wall. Okay? Here's what happens then, and this is where the magic begins. Okay? Your third and final step will create your walls and your ceiling and floor. And this is the most critical of the three, but this is where it gets exciting. All you're going to do for step 3 is extend lines from the VP through the corners of that far wall. So let's write all this stuff down. And then I'll show you what happens with this. For the sake of our little practice drawing here, well, actually, I'll let you put your vanishing point wherever you want. I'm going to put mine in the middle. You know what? But I'd like you to choose. Put yours wherever you want on that line. If you'd like to imagine yourself sitting on the left or the right or sort of middle left or middle right, you do what you want. I'll show you a few examples of what happens here. All right, I'll give you a minute to copy that down. That's our final written step.